What's up, good people? I hope y'all are having a great day. Listen, I know sometimes y'all be wondering, man, why is he always in his car shooting videos? Well, let me tell you real quick. I can't talk to you about real estate investing if I'm not actually real estate investing, right? And so what does that entail? That entails me analyzing deals. That involves me going to look at property. And so what I would like to do today is take y'all on a real quick trip with me as I go and take a look at property so that I can determine which ones are going to actually be good for me to invest in. Let's tap in. Let's get in the comment section. Let's get it. Let's do it. All right, y'all, I done pulled up to my first house. And so for the privacy of the owner, I'm not going to go and show the owner, but I will come back and let y'all know what I thought about this property, how I evaluated, what the numbers look like, and then we'll talk about it and then head on to the next one. All right, see y'all. All right, y'all, so let me give you a quick synopsis of this house. This house is probably worth around maybe $160,000. There's a current balance owed on it, maybe around $14,000, $15,000. And this doesn't always happen, but I was able to speak with the neighbor, and she was able to give me some contact information for the people that's living here because this house is currently vacant. And so it's going to be a pretty good deal if I can get in contact with the current owners so that I can see if I can work something out with them, because they may have been in a distressed situation. They may have been they may need some cash, or they may want to stay there. They just may need a temporary fix solution, meaning they need some help with financing. I help them do that as well. So we're going to see. And so it worked out pretty good for me to talk with the neighbor because she gave me some contact information. So hopefully I'm able to get in contact with the owners, and it'll be a good deal to work out and create a win-win for some people. So I'll follow back up with y'all on this one. All right, heading on to the next one. All right, y'all. So on this property here that I just pulled up on, a lot of times you never know what the property's current condition is going to be in. Even after looking at the property online, you still don't know what the current condition is. That's why it's always good to come out and put your eyes on the property. And so when I went up to the house again, for privacy reasons, I didn't want to show the owners or the address or anything like that. I just wanted to go and talk to them and see what's going on. Well, the son ended up coming out, and so the mother, he called the mother, and so she's on her way home. So I'm going to talk to her concerning this house to see what they're looking to try to do. So hopefully I can give you guys a quick update on this one rather than a future update to see if we can do something with this particular house. So y'all stick with me, lock in, let's tap in, let's get into it. All right, y'all. After meeting with the mother, I'm not sure what kind of deal we'll be able to do, but I'll keep y'all posted on it. I'll keep y'all updated on it. The house, it's a pretty good house. But even if we don't do a deal, and just so y'all know the numbers, the house is probably worth in the range of $180,000 or so. And I'm not sure what was completely owed on it, but it would be a good deal if we were able to work something out with them because they possibly want to stay. But even if nothing works out with that deal, the lady was pretty sweet, and she was awesome just to get to know her. And so it was just a great experience in there with her today. So hopefully we can work something out. So thank y'all for catching up with me on this one. So now we're on to the next one. Hopefully y'all stay with me. All right, y'all, just pulled up at the next house and actually just spoke with somebody at the house. The parents were not there. They got my phone number. So hopefully they'll be able to give me a call back so that we can discuss some options that they may have. I think this deal will be a pretty good deal as well. This house is worth around maybe $180,000 or so. And if we're able to work something out with them, it'll be a win-win for both of us. So y'all lock in, stay tuned. I'll keep y'all updated on how this particular deal goes. All right, y'all, well, I'm at my last house for the day. I just pulled up, and so we're gonna go speak with the owners, see if they'd be interested in doing something. This neighborhood is an extremely nice neighborhood. Houses in here are in between $500 to $1 million worth of value. And so these people, I'm not sure what their situation may be, but I'm gonna go find out and see if I can help them. That's what real estate is about. It's about helping people, and it's about fixing problems and issues people have. So let me go check it out. I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, y'all. So again, for privacy purposes, I'm not showing anybody addresses. And if I happen to reach the owners and talk to them, they won't be shown on camera. These people were not at home when I pulled up. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave them a note. And I'm also going to see if I can find some contact information for them to see what's going on, to see if I can help them and solve any issues that they may have, whether that be financing, whether that be them trying to possibly sell the house. I am about trying to help people. And so I'm about creating win-wins for people. It's going to be a win for me. It's definitely got to be a win for the seller. So with that being said, I appreciate y'all following me on this journey today. I'm going to come back up with one more follow-up to give you a summary, and we'll talk about more about these in a later video. All right, everybody. Just to wrap up everything that we did today, we went and looked at 4 houses. The first house, the value was around $180,000. What was owed on it was around $15,000. The second house that we went to, the value was actually, I said in the video that it was actually $180,000, but it was roughly over $200,000. Where the lady, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get to do a deal with her, but we'll see. In the upcoming video, I'll update y'all on that one. The third house that I went to, the house was roughly around $180,000 worth of value. That current house had roughly $48,000 owed on it. So that'll be a good deal if I can work something out with the owners. And the last house that I went to that was in a real good area, the value was over $500,000. And what's owed on the property is roughly $62,000. give or take $62,000. And so that would be a magnificent deal if I could talk to the owner and get with him on that to see if I can help him out in any kind of way so that he doesn't lose his house. So again, I want to tell you guys, the reason why I go out and look at these deals is because it's important that we understand that real estate is really you solving problems. If you can figure out a way to solve problems in somebody's real estate, you can become a real estate investor successfully. So I just want to give y'all that quick summary of all of that. Thank y'all so much for driving around with me today. I'll see y'all in the next one. Get down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Let's talk through some of these deals and analyze them. If you got questions, holler at me in the comment section. But again, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. Peace.